Hello friends. Today we'll discuss one very basic JavaScript concept, function, and different uses of it. We have defined a compare function which takes two parameters a and b. The main idea of this function is to compare whether they are equal or not. So we can use if-else condition, and if inside the if condition we can specify this the conditional check. Here it is recommended to use three equal sign, or it is known as strict equality. And based upon this matching, we can return true or false. So if you try to print this console.log, here we are passing 5 and 6, which are unequal, so that is returning false. But if you try to pass 6 and 6, it is returning true here. Okay, that means our function is working fine. But there are, instead of writing if-else condition, because this equality itself is returning Boolean value, so we don't need to have write explicitly if-else condition. We can remove it, and we can just simply write return a triple equal to b, which will give the same result. Like here also 6 and 6 is true, and if you pass for example 7, it is returning false. Okay, and also instead of a proper defined function, we can use arrow function. So we define a function which take two parameter a and b, and which return this result a equal to b. So there is returns. If we are evaluating a single line statement, we don't need to explicitly pass a return keyword here. It will implicit it mean that you are want to return this result. So we are using this compare function 7 and 6, it returning false. And once we try to do 6 and 6, it return true. So there are three different flavor. So I personally prefer to use, if you are this beginner, you just use this method, which is very clear and explicit. But once you started getting more and more comfortable with the arrow function, so you can try using arrow function wherever you feel appropriate. Hope you learned something today. Have a good day ahead. Bye-bye.